Meet the Barracuda, nature's underwater missile. Want to know why they are called the nature's underwater missile? Continue watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button to show your support. Armed with razor-sharp teeth, barracudas can slice through prey in milliseconds. Capable of speeds up to 35 miles per hour, it's one of the ocean's fastest hunters. They rely on ambush tactics, striking before prey even knows they're there. Don't let the size fool you. The Barracuda is pure speed and power. Comment, Speed Demon, like if you wouldn't swim near it. Follow for more videos like this.